Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how can I edit a video on my iPhone. So to edit a video on your iPhone, you have to install this iMovie app. So install this iMovie app and open it. Tap on movie and select the video which you want to edit. Tap on create movie, and now to rotate your video, you can use a 2-finger to rotate the video, and tap on this timeline, and now you can easily trim your video. You can cut off a part from this video by tapping on the split icon, and again tap on split and select the part which you want to delete. Tap on delete at the bottom right and the part will be deleted. And to speed up your video, select the clip, tap on the speed icon, and now you can increase the speed from here. Also you can make slow the video, decreasing this level from here. And to add a text to your video, tap on this text icon, select the text format from here and tap on the text, tap on edit, and now you'll be able to edit the text from here. And tap on this effect icon to add effect to your video. So once your video edited, tap on done at the top left corner, tap on the share icon, tap on save video, and the video will be saved to your Photos app. So that's how you will be able to edit a video on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.